So we've sort of let some of this get a little bit out of hand. It's kind of easy to let things pile up when we're working on so many projects at once. So today I'm going to focus on getting all this scrap wood that we have here hauled off to our burn pit and just kind of cleaning up right over here. It's just very much so an eyesore as you drive up to our place. So I have these two wooden benches that I made years ago for our other house. They went with this really cool, huge pallet table that I made. Oh, this one's actually splitting a little bit, but they are super durable and have held up really well until now, obviously. I'm considering painting them both black and keeping one right here in front of the big barn door because our grill is over here, and this is where we cook out, like on the big grill. And so it'd be kind of nice to have a seat over here. Then I've got all my lovely yard art that still has not been placed properly. It's just all been sitting here since we moved here. My favorite is the goat. Everybody seems to think that we really do have a goat when they pull up. It's kind of funny. But I need to put that all somewhere cute. And then I'm thinking about putting one of these, after I paint it black, on the front porch. Okay, remember quite some time back, my friend Rhonda gave me mint and I planted it right here. It has done super great. Smells so fragrant and I really love it there. And then I've tried to keep this little area cleaned out. The turtles are loving hiding up in these daylilies, which are all about to bloom in the next few days, I would imagine. And then I had stuck this little iris here that was over on the other side of the house just because we kept mowing over it. And I decided, okay, fine. And then the metal yard art that I was showing you a little earlier, I decided to move my desert-y looking stuff over here. So now then this is what it looks like. And it's really cute. But I would like to plant some flowers. And these are my absolute favorite flowers. I remember when I was little, my dad would always plant zinnias for me on the side of our house. So I am going to be planting these seeds right here, and hopefully in 35 days I will see blooms. We shall see. We still had one more big tree that Mike really wanted to trim down. It's on the neighbor's fence line, so they've told us that they really appreciate us trimming up and getting rid of all the overgrowth. So we decided to go ahead and do this. It involved hooking a chain up to the tree and me pulling it with the truck to keep it from falling onto their nice fence. So that's just what we're doing here, cutting that down and gonna haul that off. We were gonna start cutting it up into smaller pieces, and then I was like, hey, what if I just pull this all the way over to the burn pile? So that's what I did, and it worked great. And then once we got it over to the burn pile, we cut it down to sizable, manageable pieces and threw it up there on the pile. We had some storms roll in this past week and it was gorgeous out. This is the neighbor's horse, and the view across the way and the sunset, the sky, the clouds, everything about it was just breathtaking. So we wanted to capture some pictures of that for you guys. Curry and I spent some more time out at their place, and today we got the bed set up. They went with the same kind of frame and mattress that we did, the memory foam type mattress, and I will link that for you in the description below. Mike and I are still super pleased with ours. They went with the 10-inch, we have the 12-inch, but I think they're gonna love it just as much. Their place is just really coming together. You'll also notice here the closet bars. Braden got all those cut and in place. And he did what we did up at our house. We used the top railings for chain link fencing. You just get those out in the lawn and garden department at Lowe's, and they are much sturdier and much less expensive than regular closet bars. Today we celebrated Mike. It is his 61st birthday, so Curry and I and Greenlee took him to breakfast, and then he just got to do whatever he wanted the rest of the day. And then there's the grandbabies. They're so stinking cute, and I think you just need to see them more often, so here you go. Okay, so these are all the crosses that I have made up so far, and all of these have sold, and I'm going to begin shipping them today. And you guys have just been amazing ordering, and I really, truly appreciate that. I'm gonna show you something here. These two are just like super rusty, rustic ones, and the rest are the silver, well, it's just barbed wire that's, you know, got its own kind of character and rust to it. But I'm fixing to get busy making more. I've got all of my wire out in that old chicken coop, so I'm fixing to run out there and grab some more wire. On my way back from grabbing more wire, there's my little cat dog Salem. Follows me everywhere. So I'm just gonna sit up here on the back porch and make a few more crosses. These obviously take longer than 30 seconds to make, but I just wanted to show you a quick little time lapse of me making one. I've had a lot of fun making these. I really love being crafty and creative. So again, it's just been fun working on them, and it's given me something to do in all my spare time. Ha ha ha. Okay, so back in the fall, after we finished with our pumpkins, I just set them over here on the side of the stable and let them rot and wilt and do their thing. Well, pumpkin vines have sprouted up, and I'm super excited about this because every year when our kids were little, we would carve pumpkins. So I'm hoping this fall these pull through, make it through, and we have homegrown pumpkins to carve with the grandbabies. We're having another load of gravel delivered today. All right, so Mike is now gonna drag this gravel and spread it and do whatever he can with it. And gonna just kind of continue the little driveway here, make a little parking area for Curry and Braden. So that shall be fun. Y'all, this is the cutest thing. Scar was going across the driveway, and I called his name and I started petting him, and he like turned towards me and came to me. It was so cute. So remember my little zinnias that I planted a couple of days ago? Well, they are all sprouting up now. That's about the extent of my gardening so far. We're having the most interesting weather this morning. It's like sunny, cloudy, rainy. It's beautiful, but it's just so strange. We had Weston this afternoon for a few hours, so it was just a lot of fun giving him and Greenlee a ride around the farm on the golf cart. And he, of course, is loving it. He's taken Mike's hands off the wheel because he wanted to be the driver. It was really cute. And Greenlee, she was out like a light. I think we kind of lulled her to sleep. So this is where we're filming our porch talk tonight, just FYI. Hey there. It's actually late in the evening on Friday night, and we're sitting out back on our patio being swarmed by bugs. But
not the best place in the world, but anyway, it's been a very slow week, laid back week. Not a whole lot got done.
Yeah, the big thing that we wanted to happen did not happen, which was electricity out to Curry and Braden's house. So
yeah.
Boo.
Hopefully this time next week we'll be sharing that cool information with you. The tractor started blowing a fuse and couldn't figure out what was going on there. And after doing a little bit of troubleshooting and calling the right people, I think we had a switch go out, and so got to get a new switch for that. And so I didn't get a lot done this week with the tractor, which was a bummer because I had a lot of things planned, but that's okay.
Tomorrow, I think we're going to do a lot of mowing. That was something that we wanted to do this week, but we've had a lot of rain and it didn't happen.
Yep.
So,
and we've got a couple tiny little things to do, couple pieces of trim that I gotta create and put over there in Braden and Curry's house, and then we're done. It's all a matter of them getting the electricity hooked up and moving in and moving on. So that's good stuff.
That'll be fun for them for sure. Okay, so hold on just one second.
Oh, she's got her beautiful crosses that she made.
So for those of you that watched last week and saw that we took down the barbed wire fence, and I started making crosses. And these are the two styles that I came up with. And you guys have ordered, and it's been a lot of fun making these. So thank you for ordering. And I wanted to say you should be receiving them maybe by the time you're watching this video. You should have received yours, maybe. If not, Monday, Tuesday. But I thought it would be fun for you to take a selfie with your cross, or a picture of your cross wherever you hang it in your house, and email it to me. I will put my email in the description below, and you send me a picture of your cross in your house, and then next week I will have you in the vlog with us. I just
that'd be cool.
Thought that would be kind of fun to interact with you guys like that. So
yeah, that'd be good. And for Father's Day and / birthday, we got some Blackstone accessories to go with my Blackstone grill. If you have a Blackstone, if not, if you grill, the question that we'd like to ask you this week is, what's your favorite recipe on your Blackstone? I noticed I got a recipe book and it has some pretty cool recipes, but what's something that you guys like to cook if you have a Blackstone? If you don't, then what do you like to grill? What's your favorite thing to do? And share that with us, and we'll share that in the comments below, and other people can look at it as well. That'll be kind of fun to find out what your favorite foods are. Oh, and speaking of birthday / Father's Day, thank you for all of the birthday wishes and the kind notes and just the sweet things that you said. I really appreciate that, and it's always fun to celebrate your birthday with lots of different folks, so good stuff.
We hope you men out there all have a happy Father's Day.
Yes.
I know we'll be celebrating with our family on Sunday night. All three of our guys, Braden, Hunter, Colby, Mike, so 4, all dads here. So we'll be celebrating them on Sunday night. And we hope that you all have a wonderful weekend and a blessed Father's Day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. And if you would like to order one of these crosses, I'm putting the link in the description below for that. So check it out.
That's right. Y'all have a great week. God bless.
If this is your first time here, thanks so much for watching. If you're a regular viewer, you guys know how much we love you. If you want to get caught up on our vlog, be sure to click on the video that you see here on the screen, and it'll take you to the beginning. Thanks again for watching. Have a super great, blessed, amazing Father's Day weekend.